Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy J and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back.
I think I'm losing my mind.
Now today I want you guys to join me as I prepare a delicious and healthy meal. So right here we have some nicely chopped tomatoes, diced tomatoes to be exact. And we also have some onions also chopped and ready to put together. We're just gonna allow the flavors to fall in love by putting them together and mixing them nicely, yeah man. Also we have some okra, yeah man, we have some nice, good, strong okra for the body. And we're gonna chop that as well. We're also going to be adding some pimento to the mix, and we're going to now add that pimento to the hot heated pan. Yeah, we add some oil in there too and allow that oil to just suck up the flavor of the pimento. And we're going to be mixing all of the mixtures together and add them to the pot as well. So we're going to saute them, guys, you know, get all of that lovely healthy flavors to come together. And we're gonna add some thyme as well. Yeah, you know, thyme helps to push the flavor of the cooking. Add some vegetable seasonings as well. Yes, nice up the thing. You don't know the thing go. Yeah man, that's how we deal with it today. And we're gonna be adding and mixing. Yeah, man, flavor up the thing. People can eat healthy and live good too, you know. And you know the good old Maggi seasoning, we can't do nothing without the Maggi. No. Yeah man, nice up the thing. All purpose. And we're gonna be adding some Franks now. Some people can use various kind of meats, but we're going to chop them and we're going to put them together and we'll mix up everything so the flavors intertwine. Yeah man, we're going to allow all of that to build a nice relationship, and then we can enjoy everything as soon as the flavors join together. Guys, I promise you this is going to be a very delicious meal. Yeah. So, you know, to build a little gravy now, you're going to add some water and you're going to allow that now to, you know, just fall in love. Yes, as you can see, I'm busy in the kitchen today, guys. I'm doing about 3 different things all at the same time. Now I'm gonna allow all of this to cook down, guys, and the next thing you're gonna see is this lovely meal on a plate. Take a good look at this, guys. Yeah man, looking good, don't it? And as you can see, I'm serving it as a breakfast menu with the accompaniment of wheat bread. Yeah man, you know we have to healthy up the thing this morning. Yeah man, we accompanied by some wheat bread. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this one and you will go ahead and try it on your own. But as we always say, until next time, Jay says, and we are out of here.